All right, so I'm going to write them down also real quick. All right, so now I will go, we'll go back and fill in the information about all right. Okay, so let's fill in the 3 steps to constructing a pie chart. I'm sure you have constructed many pie charts in your day, so you probably know this already. The first thing we are going to do is calculate relative frequency. So we're going to calculate relative frequency for each category. So in this case, we had 8 people, so relative frequency 4/8. Let's see, what's that be? 0.12. What is that? 3.375? Is that right? Okay. I had a complete brain shutdown just then. I couldn't. That's what I was trying to do. And the sad thing is, I've been teaching how to subtract decimals all day. Maybe that's all this 5th grade math is difficult. Okay. Okay. So that's the first. It really is. It's so hard. Okay.
Don't cry.
It makes for a really long day. I do that 4 times a day. Okay. Use the central angle. Now I got to do a little geometry here. All right, we're going to use the central angle to estimate the proportion of the whole graph, which is 360 degrees because it's a circle. And okay, so when I say estimate, that's because you do not have to get out a protractor. And actually, personally, if I were going to make a pie graph, I probably wouldn't hand draw it. There are so many different websites. First of all, and you'll see in just a minute when we do the assignment for this, after we do all these graphs, if you are at all familiar with Excel or Sheets, they'll make all these graphs like that, super fast and easy, and that's what I would do. But if you just needed to make a pie chart, you could just Google, make a pie chart, and you're going to come up with 6 or 7 different websites, and all you do is type in your information, and it does it. So I would do that. But it doesn't hurt to know how. So let's see. Well, the first one's easy because it's half the pie, so that's pretty simple. So pretend that this. I do want to make it straight, which is sort of unlike me since I don't have OCD or anything. But if you do, and you would like a ruler, I have a bunch.
I'm not OCD, I just can't draw a straight line, and if I don't draw a straight line, it's gonna look like it's, not up.
I don't have it. I really, it doesn't bother me, but that's kind of what I was afraid of. So we're just way off. So, of course, forget the fact that I can't find where the center is. That's okay. Okay. Yep, see, way off center. Oh well. At least it's straight.
Oh, mine's way
You
up.
can imagine.
Gee whiz. Okay. UTA, okay, so 0.375. So that would be 0.375 out of 360 degrees How many degrees is that? 135. Well, that's pretty easy because that's 90 and 45. So easy enough. Should make it orange. So, at least what's left is U and T. And let's try this. And the last thing you're going to do is just label the graph. You don't necessarily have to label, if you don't label it on the pie chart, then somewhere near the pie chart you need to put the percentages. But in this case, it's big. I mean, we only have 3 things. There were 4 to choose from, but nobody chose the 4th, which was Texas State. So you got plenty of room to actually put it on the pie graph, which is what I would do. But a lot of times, if you have a lot of different choices, sometimes you'll get little pieces of pie so small you can't label it, and you just put more arrows or whatever. So this is 12%, 5%. So pretty. So we use pie charts when we want to compare parts of a whole. So this is the whole class, and this was our percentages of the whole